Chairman Barim jongka Seng Kieng Atiar Achik National Volunteer Council Ubernan and Marang Ubalong Ru minta UMDC Natura Constituency Haji HADC minta kesni kakat sau tarik urempang arja arpusan ula pensyai bakamdon Satya Kano Kano ke Jingpynkhie imbiang iki Seng Kieng Atiar Rilum Garo. Haka jingkren jongu ke baula pelat lingba ke video ya ke bala pha ashkilat pathai khubor umarak ulo ong bakala bende tang ke jing bitar ber ke jing dukhi min siem jong ki dukhot jong ki Seng Kieng Atiar beper ki bala pendam wat namar ba hadu menta ke sorkar kampat pen urlong ki jing dawa bad iki song jingerap kumbala kula.
About regrouping of GNLA, I have nothing to say because I have no information as such. But I can only say that all those who have joined the mainstream from the militancy background, be it GNLA, NBC, NBCB, and others, most have not got the rehabilitation package. The rehabilitation package which was assured to them is still pending to most of the cadres, and the livelihood program and the assistance which was assured to them when they joined the mainstream has not been followed up by the government, and they may not be rise in the militancy, but there is a dissatisfaction, there is a discontentment, there is a doubt, and there is a struggle among the former cadres of this different militant organization. So I request the government to take care of the youths, especially those who have been assured to give a better life, to give financial assistance for their livelihood. They should be taken care of so that such rumors are not materialized, and that those who have given up arms and those who have joined the mainstream should have a better life and should have complete support from the government. Thank you.